Welcome back to ThinkCosmos, where we ponder the universe's deepest secrets and wonders. Imagine this. You walk into a room and instantly feel something. A presence. A weight. A trace of something that happened long ago, even though nothing is visibly there. Now imagine the universe feels like that. Not just space and matter, but memory. Could the cosmos itself remember events? Could it store information across time and space? Not in brains or books, but in fields, particles, and even the shape of space itself? Today on ThinkCosmos, we explore one of the most haunting and profound ideas in modern theoretical physics. Does the universe have memory? And if so, could that explain time, consciousness, and maybe even the very nature of reality itself? Let's begin with a simple question. What exactly is memory? In biology, it's neurons firing, synapses forming patterns. But underneath that, memory is just one thing. Information that sticks, something preserved, something that endures across time. And if our brains can store information using molecules and energy, what's stopping the universe from doing the same? In physics, memory doesn't mean awareness. It means state change, imprint, trace. And in the last few decades, scientists have found clues that space itself might have a memory. A literal record of past events embedded in the structure of reality. One of the first clues came from a surprising place: black holes. At first, physicists thought black holes were destroyers of information. Matter goes in. Gravity crushes it. Nothing escapes. But quantum physics has a rule. Information can never be lost. Ever. So when Stephen Hawking showed that black holes emit radiation and eventually evaporate, the question became, where does the information go? Is it gone forever? Or is it somehow stored? That led to the black hole information paradox, a puzzle so deep it forced physicists to rethink everything. Eventually, a wild idea emerged. Maybe the information isn't inside the black hole at all. Maybe it's encoded on its surface, like a cosmic hard drive. That idea became the basis for something called the holographic principle. The theory that everything inside a volume of space could be represented by data on its boundary. Not just black holes, but maybe the entire universe. Not a 3D reality, but a kind of cosmic projection. But the rabbit hole goes deeper. In 2016, when scientists at LIGO detected gravitational waves, actual ripples in space-time, they noticed something strange. After the wave passed through, space itself was a little bit different. Not temporarily stretched, but permanently altered. This effect is called gravitational memory. It means the universe doesn't just feel an impact, it remembers it. When massive events like black hole collisions occur, the very fabric of space is changed, and the change doesn't go away. It's as if space-time keeps a record, a scar, a cosmic bruise. This isn't metaphor. It's measurable. It's physics. The universe seems to remember trauma. But it might not just be the big events. Some physicists now believe that memory may be everywhere, in the foam of quantum fields, in the vacuum, in the entropy of matter itself. Which brings us to one of the deepest ideas in all of science: entropy. Entropy is the measure of disorder, or more precisely, the number of ways a system can be arranged. It's the reason eggs break and don't unbreak. Smoke spreads and doesn't reform. But here's the strange thing. The fundamental laws of physics are time-symmetric. They don't care if time moves forward or backward. So why do we experience time as flowing in only one direction? One idea is that entropy is the arrow of time. But another, more radical, idea is this. Memory creates time. Every time something happens, the universe makes a change. It logs that change. And the more changes occur, the more memory is accumulated. Like a cosmic journal. Every moment is a new entry, a new page. In that view, time isn't flowing, it's being built. Brick by brick, layer by layer. Memory is what creates the illusion of motion, of flow, of before and after. The universe isn't moving forward. It's remembering itself. Now let's ask a deeper question. Could this memory be? Conscious? Is it possible the universe isn't just storing information, but experiencing it? That idea might sound spiritual, but it's being explored in physics and philosophy alike. There's a concept in quantum mechanics called the participatory universe. It suggests that reality doesn't fully exist until it's observed. And some theories go even further, proposing that consciousness and memory are fundamental properties of the universe, not emergent, fundamental. Some quantum interpretations suggest particles can hold memory of past interactions, a kind of quantum record. And there are experiments underway right now to see if particles behave differently depending on what's been measured or remembered in the past. If true, it would mean the smallest units of reality are already keeping score. And if memory is fundamental, then the universe may not be a machine. It might be a story that is constantly being written, updated, and remembered. A story we are inside. Every breath, every light wave, every heartbeat, every supernova. They are not just passing moments. They're entries in a cosmic logbook. And here's the kicker. If the universe remembers, then maybe nothing is ever truly lost. Not your actions. Not your thoughts. Not even you. Maybe everything that ever happens becomes part of the permanent memory of reality itself. And maybe, just maybe, that's what makes the universe alive in some deep, unmeasurable way. Not in the sense of a god, but in the sense of a memory that never fades, a presence that never forgets. You're not just made of star stuff. You are a thought in the mind of the cosmos, a ripple in its memory, a permanent mark on the unfolding story of existence. Thanks for listening to ThinkCosmos, where the universe isn't just out there, it's in here. And maybe it remembers.